Going to where are we going?
To somewhere else.
Mamasyal naman kami.
Yeah.
After ride, pasyal naman.
To the fort, because then probably after that we don't need to be there anymore.
Okay. And then then next, the what do you call that? The camel or what? Not all the fort. Huh? So see you. Sino kaya hari dito? Pero sarado, syempre.
Okay, let's go. Let's try that again.
Pasyal.
Like the bush?
Bahay ni ni Sheikh Khalifa. The late Sheikh Khalifa. Laki yun. Laki ng mansion niya. Siya lang yung may mga greens. No? Puro desierto, siya lang maraming puno at grass. Ganda. Mariah Carey. Mariah Fort. Ito kami sa Mariah Carey. Aray ko. Grabing init. Where are you from? Wow. What would you like to see from us next? Init. This road. Grabe. Kasi desierto tayo, desierto. Wala tayong magawa. After the ride, pasyal naman. Kaso lang, wala din masyadong mapasyalan. Biwa.
But honestly, if you are there and
Lalakad kami, oh. Yun, papuntang taas. Yun. Lalakad. Ang daming langaw. So many, langaw. Lakad kami pataas. Akyat ng liwa. Diba? Ganda. Model, diba?
say bye-bye.
Ala-alain water. When I wake up and I know I wanna be the man. This is always next to you. Si Diwa. Kanino natin Grabe inahon namin Lakad pala. Hiking. Nahilo na ako. Dinner time again. I'm having buffet.